Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and today I'm doing a challenge for you all. I'm using only $300 and I'm going to try to flip this into a supercar. My first goal is going to be actually trying to get into a car because $300 you cannot find much on the market, if anything at all. So yeah, I'm going to try to use this and buy a few things and try to flip it. I will tell you guys my costs, I'll tell you how I got this, and I'll tell you how much I sell it for. Starting off with $300 is going to be a challenge because you really have to tactically see what you're going to buy. There's not a large selection of things that you're going to buy and actually make money on. So let's research the market first and see what I am going to get. After researching the market, I realized that I have a small selection of items that I can actually buy and make money on. So to start off, I bought this pair of rims that were 22-inch for only $300. The guy had them posted for $5. I negotiated, checked them out. They were in really good condition, but they were dirty. So with a good cleanup and taking some nicer pictures, I was able to sell them for $900. So right off the bat, I'm up $600. It was a good item, but with a really bad ad. That's why we could take advantage of this. After this, I got these 20-inch chrome Hyundai rims. I bought them for $150, sold them for $250. I was expecting a little bit more profit, but the mistake I made was I kept trying to do it like too fast. Look for something that is a better deal, but it's okay. $100 is still good for a $150 investment. Next, I bought another set of 20-inch rims. The tires were decent. I bought them for $180, sold them for $370. So the profit was $190. So I did a little bit more than what I invested into them. To review this episode, in the beginning, it started off really fast. Bought for $300, sold for $900. I tripled the money and I doubled in profit. So I started with $3, I got to $9, I made $600 profit, which was quite a return on the investment. So with that being said, I tried to just hammer and start doing this, but obviously there's a niche. There's different this is what I've learned, like there's different kinds of rims and tires that is going to sell for more rather than just barely make you a profit. So we can have an eye out for that in our next coming video. Yeah, I'm going to try to I'm going to try to stay away, and I think having like a rule where like at least double of what I'm spending should be the goal. Having something like that in place will help me start off a little bit faster than going around getting stuff that is not going to make me as much of a profit. So I'm going to try to focus on that in the next video. Yeah, let's see how it goes. See you in the next one. Stay tuned. Bye bye.